Welcome back. Today I want us to discuss about Scratch, simple programming tools for grade 5 learners in CBC. So you download the Scratch, then you click it open. As you can see it here, then you'll have it looking like this. So you'll find this area is called working area, or you can call it canvas. And when you open Scratch, it is default that we have this a graphic like a cat, which is called sprite. But you can always delete this sprite and select yours. We have a variety of them. So you come at the bottom right corner where you can see my cursor is. You click on this choose a sprite, then you'll have several opening like this. You can navigate through them and see how they behave. You can see some are animated, so you can make a choice. You can show the learners that they can pick anyone that they feel like. So you can navigate all over to find the nice one. Like me, I'm selecting this one called Barelina Girl. So next, you'll have to understand that we have the codes which can command the sprite to move or to, you can animate it. And on the left side, we have the selected codes, the already made codes. So you just pick the one that you want and drag. Like I want this girl to change the costume, so I'll go to the looks and drag this one that switch costume to. And you can see this girl has got 4 different costumes. So when I select each of them, the girl will be changing position according to the costume that she wears. So I drag this one and put it here, and then I right click and duplicate so that I can have 4 several costumes. And you can see the codes fit on each other in a nice way. It has been pre-made to be like that. So I'm duplicating to have 4 different costumes, and when they interlock, I now have to change them because like when I dragged, all of them showed costume D. So I come at the first costume, I select ballerina A, showing that this is the first costume. The second code I select and choose ballerina B. I continue like that with the third one and change it to C. And because the fourth one is already D, I leave it like that. But you can see the girl won't move. So I go back to control. I select wait for some few seconds. And you can see here it's saying wait 1 second. But because 1 second is a bit too long, so I can come here and change according to how I want the girl to change the costume. So as for me, I will select 0.5 seconds because I want the changes to be rapid. So, and after selecting the seconds, now I can duplicate it because remember, the ones for the code for the costume are 4. So I want the code for the time to be 3 to fit in the spaces. So I duplicate and then I fit it in between the codes for the costume. And because the code for the costumes are 4, the space in between them are 3. So you can see I have selected and placed wait 0.5 seconds in the spaces of the costume code. So when you click, you'll see ballerina dancing and stopping. So I come and select the code which says forever. And when I place it here, it covers all the other codes. And when I click now, on top of it, you can see Barelina is dancing without stopping, showing that you have commanded Barelina to dance forever. Now, I want to change the background of this sprite dancing. But in Scratch, background is called backdrop. So when you click up there, the girl stops dancing. And then I can come first here and select, I go to control, and then I select this icon or this code with a flag. So it's found on the event, not control. I select the code, the flag, and put it up there, meaning that the girl will dance when I click the green flag. So when I click it there, you can see the girl is dancing up and down. And so it means that the girl will only dance when I click the green flag. Now I want us to change the background. In Sprite, it is called backdrop. So I'll come at the bottom right corner once again. After the one for the sprite, I find this one for the backdrop. Backdrop is background. So we have several background, as you can see here, several to choose from according to your choice. But for me, because my sprite was dancing, I select this one for concert. And you can see when I click on the green flag, the girl is dancing in a concert or in a hall, as you can see here. You can also decide to have another backdrop or background. So, because this is a girl, let me select that she's dancing in her bedroom. So I'll come at the backdrop and I'm selecting bedroom 2. So you can see there the girl is dancing. But because she's on the air, I can drag her down using my mouse so that the girl can dance on the floor. And you can see there the girl is dancing without stopping. So it's up to me. I can command the girl to stop by clicking on the red button up here. So if I click on the red icon, the girl stops dancing. But if I click on the green flag, the girl will start dancing. So the red icon is to stop the girl from dancing. The green flag is to command the girl to dance, because the the code says that when the green flag is clicked, the girl dances. Thank you for watching.